Most passive income advice online is either outdated, unrealistic, or flat out wrong. Dropshipping with no capital. NFTs, print-on-demand stores nobody ever finds. In 2026, the game has changed. In this video, I'm giving you 10 passive income ideas that are actually working right now, backed by real numbers, real effort required, and honest timelines. No hype, just the ones worth your time. Number 1. Dividend and index fund investing. This is the most boring passive income idea on this list. It is also the most reliable. Invest in a global index fund or dividend-paying ETF inside your stocks and shares ISA. No tax on your returns, and let compound growth do the work. You are not going to retire next year on this, but invest $500 per month at a 7% average annual return, and after 20 years you have approximately $260,000. At a 4% withdrawal rate that is $10,400 per year, or $867 per month sales in passive income. Tax-free inside an ISA. Effort required, set up once, automate monthly contributions, review once a year. Capital required, start with as little as $25 per month, scales with what you put in, timeline, 10 to 30 years. This is a long game, but it genuinely works. Number 2. High-yield savings accounts and cash ISAs, not glamorous. But in 2026, with interest rates still elevated, a competitive easy-access savings account or cash ISA can earn you 4 to 5% on your cash, completely passively. $20,000 in a 4.5% easy-access account earns $900 per year, $75 per month, for doing absolutely nothing. Inside a cash ISA, that income is tax-free. Effort required. Open the account, transfer the funds, done. Review rates every 6 months. Capital required, any amount. Higher balance, so higher return. Timeline, immediate. The money works from day one. Number 3. Buy-to-let property, the classic, and still one of the most powerful passive income streams when done correctly. A typical UK buy-to-let property generating a 5 to 6% gross yield on a $200,000 property earns $10,000 to $12,000 in rent per year before mortgage costs, maintenance and tax. The reality check. This is not truly passive. You will deal with tenants, repairs, void periods, and an increasingly complex tax environment. Stamp duty surcharges, mortgage interest relief restrictions, and potential capital gains tax on sale all reduce returns. However, if you can afford the deposit, buy in the right area, and use a letting agent, property remains one of the most proven wealth-building assets in the UK. Effort required, medium. Even with a letting agent, ongoing involvement is needed. Capital required, minimum 25% deposit, typically $50,000 plus on a 200k property. Timeline, income from day one of tenancy. Number 4. REITs, real estate investment trusts. This is property investing without buying a property. A REIT is a fund that owns and operates income-producing real estate, offices, warehouses, retail parks, hospitals, and is legally required to distribute at least 90% of its rental income to shareholders as dividends. You can buy REITs inside your stocks and shares ISA for as little as $50. Many UK and global REITs currently yield between 4 and 7% annually. That is property income without a mortgage, tenants or boiler repairs. Effort required, same as any investment. Set up once, reinvest dividends, review annually. Capital required, from $50. Scales with investment. Timeline, dividends typically paid quarterly. Number 5. Fixed rate bonds and gilts. UK government gilts and corporate bonds are currently offering yields of 4 to 5.5%. Buy a fixed-rate bond or gilt, hold it to maturity, and collect the income. This is genuinely passive. You lend money, you receive interest, done. Important caveat: corporate bonds carry credit risk. If the company defaults, you can lose your capital. Stick to investment-grade bonds or UK government gilts for lower risk. Insider stocks and shares ISA, bond income is tax-free. Effort, minimal. Buy, hold, collect. Capital, from $100. More capital, more income. Timeline, fixed. You know exactly what you will earn and when. Number 6. Digital products. Create once, sell forever. This is where passive income gets genuinely exciting for people without large capital. An ebook, a Notion template, a Canva pack, a financial spreadsheet, a course. Any digital product you create once can be sold thousands of times with zero marginal cost. A well-positioned Etsy shop selling digital finance templates, or a Gumroad product in a niche with search demand, can generate $200 to $2,000 per month entirely passively once built. The hard part, and this is real, is the upfront creation and marketing to get your first 100 customers. Effort, high upfront, low ongoing once established. Capital, near zero. Canva is free, Gumroad is free to start. Timeline, 3 to 12 months to meaningful income, scales indefinitely. Number 7, YouTube and content monetization. Yes, YouTube itself is on this list, because once a video is published, it earns ad revenue, affiliate income, and sponsorship fees indefinitely. A well-performing finance channel with 10,000 subscribers can earn $1,000 to $5,000 per month from AdSense alone. And a video uploaded 3 years ago can still be generating views and income today. The work is entirely upfront: scripting, creating, uploading. The income is passive from that point on. The compounding nature of a video library is one of the most powerful passive income models available to anyone with knowledge and consistency. Effort, high upfront, passive once published. Capital, near zero. A phone and free editing tools are enough to start. Timeline, 6 to 18 months to meaningful monetization. Number 8, affiliate marketing. Recommend a product or service you genuinely use. Include your unique link. Earn a commission every time someone signs up or buys through it. This works through blogs, YouTube, email lists, and niche websites. Finance affiliate programs in the UK pay some of the highest commissions available. Some ISA and investment platform affiliates pay $50 to $150 per referred customer. A niche finance blog generating 5,000 visitors a month and converting just 1% can earn $250 to $750 per month, passively from content written once. Effort, high upfront to build the audience. Near zero ongoing. Capital, near zero. Hosting costs $3 to $10 per month. Timeline, 6 to 24 months to build meaningful traffic. Number 9, rent out assets you already own. Your car on Turo or hire car. A spare room on Airbnb, up to $70,500 per year tax-free under the UK rent-a-room scheme. A parking space on Just Park or Your Parking Space. A storage unit on StoreMates. A camera or equipment on Fat Llama. This is the most underrated passive income idea on this list because the assets already exist. You just need to activate them. A well-located parking space in London generates $100 to $300 per month. A spare room $500 to $1,500. Your car, depending on usage, $200 to $600 per month. Effort, low to medium, setup plus occasional management. Capital, zero. You already own the assets. Timeline, income within days of listing. Number 10, a niche website or blog. Publish useful, well-researched content around a specific topic with search demand. Monetize through display ads, affiliates, and digital products. A site getting 20,000 monthly visitors in a profitable niche can earn $500 to $3,000 per month, almost entirely passively once the content is published. In 2026, AI has changed how niche sites are built, but human expertise and genuine depth still win in search rankings. The opportunity is real for anyone willing to produce content that is genuinely better than what already exists. Effort, high upfront, low ongoing once ranked. Capital, 10 to 30 per month for hosting. Timeline, 12-24 months to meaningful traffic and income. So which one should you start with? Here is the honest answer. It depends entirely on whether you have capital, time, or skills to offer. If you have capital, start with index funds, high-yield savings, or REITs. Lowest effort, immediate returns, scales with investment. If you have time and skills but limited capital, start with digital products, YouTube or affiliate marketing. High upfront work, passive once built, scales indefinitely. If you have assets you are not using, rent them out today. Zero capital required, income within days. The single biggest mistake people make with passive income is trying to do everything at once and executing nothing properly. Pick one, build it, then layer the next. Passive income is not a myth, but it is also not effortless. Every stream on this list requires either capital, time, or expertise up front. The passive part comes later, after the work is done. Start building today, and your future self will thank you. Subscribe to the Deal Insider for more money moves that actually matter.